Hi guys!
We're back
with another unboxing video, but it's a bag. A pink
Ipsy bag.
Ipsy bag.
Ipsy Glam bag.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get into it.
It's like the pink one or
Open up.
I'm taking a peek. I don't remember. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, face mask.
Intense, hydrating, complete, blah, blah, blah.
Intense hydrating. What?
Yeah, it's a happy
Spirulina mask. Hydrates, replenishes, and calms the skin.
You can't look. I'm putting it in there.
Ooh, another one?
It's the same thing.
Intense hydrating. Yep, same. So we got two.
That's
That
it.
was an add-on. I added that on for $3.
A protective measures 100.
You can never have enough chapstick. For real, for real. For reals.
Wait, that's it?
What is it? Preventative measures 101. After hours lip balm with moisture release technology.
It.
Hemp infused mint flavor.
Mom, that's it.
The bag.
That's it.
Come on. Ooh, pretty bag. Let's show the bag.
Ooh,
Ooh, it's very glittery. It says Ipsy here. It's like, what, pink, gold. Got a lot of glitter colors. Mostly pink and gold, but there's some yellow, green. Little tassel. All right, let's see what's in the bag. Just a couple more items, right? Wait, let me get the card.
Number 3.
Don't give up on your daydreams. Glam Bag Plus is finally here. Here's your items.
That's cool. Yeah.
Don't break it.
Yeah.
Definitely don't drop it. What's that?
I don't know.
Blossom Compact Eyeshadow.
Dusty Miller.
And Dusty Miller. Ooh, that's cute.
Yeah, I got this. I got it.
You need scissors?
No. There's scrape off thing. There's scrape off thing. Got it.
Okay, no scissors.
Wait, how do you even open it?
Oh, like this. It's like a little compact, so compact open like that.
What?
Oh, it's cute. It's like a grayish purplish color. And there's the top. Hold on.
Yeah.
There's that. There's the back. Wait, I want to show the color.
Did they see it? I don't know.
Yeah, it is like a grayish purplish color. It's nice. What is that by? Blossom Compact.
Here, turn around.
What else is in there?
Emma Pow.
Is that the last? Oh no.
Pixie Skin Treats.
Skin treats. Let's see. It's a little bright here.
Open.
Pixie. Oh, wait.
Okay.
Skin drink. Pure hydration gel. Oh yeah, we're not gonna open this yet. It'll be spilling all over the place.
Okay, let me just
see. There we go. One more? I think there's just one more in there. Oh, yep, that's it then. That's the last one. Hold it up. Let's see what it is.
It is a Bare Minerals Set Hydrate Glow.
Set, hydrate, and glow. I'm guessing it's a primer.
With my wing.
Oh, it's a mist.
Ring.
A dewy mist setting spray. That's tiny. Oh, look how cute. Oh, it is a spray.
No!
This little Ipsy bag was cute. Couple of items. We got these two. This one. The add-on. This and 2 face masks. That's it for this month. What is this month? May. May's Ipsy Glam bag.
It's almost June.
That's all, right?
Yeah! Comment down below if you want more. And subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.